In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bell curve in Google Sheets. A bell curve, also known as a normal distribution curve, is a useful tool in statistics to show how data is distributed around a central value. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of creating one using Google Sheets, ensuring we make each step clear and straightforward. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up Google Sheets. If you don't have a sheet ready, you might want to create a new blank one for this exercise. Having your data organized before you begin will help make the process smoother. Keep in mind, a bell curve works best with a dataset that is large enough to show normal distribution clearly. Once your spreadsheet is open, you need to highlight the cells in range G2 to H23. This range will be where your data for the bell curve should be located. Make sure that your data is accurately represented in these cells because accuracy here is crucial to the outcome of your bell curve. After highlighting your data range, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This step is essential to bring up the necessary tools for inserting various elements into your spreadsheet. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this menu as it provides numerous options to enhance your sheet. With the Insert menu open, find and click on Chart. This will open the chart editor on the right side of your screen. The chart editor is a powerful tool within Google Sheets, helping you visualize your data in different forms. It's here where the magic happens in converting raw data into a visual representation. Once the chart editor is displayed, you need to specifically tell it what kind of chart we're aiming to create. Make sure that chart type is set to a line chart. A line chart will serve as the base for our bell curve. The line chart is chosen because it provides a smooth curve that is ideal for depicting the normal distribution of data. Now that you have selected the line chart type, you're ready to proceed with any further customization that might be necessary. Depending on your needs, you might want to adjust data ranges, labels, or chart titles to ensure your chart conveys the exact message you're looking to share. And that's it. You've successfully created a bell curve in Google Sheets. This visualization will help you or your audience better understand the distribution of your data. Remember, the key to a good bell curve is accurate and appropriately distributed data. Feel free to explore the chart editor further to customize the visual aspects of your chart as needed. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for tuning in, and happy charting.